Good day, my dear students. For today's video, we're going to talk about the mean and variance of discrete random variables. So actually, itong mean and variance are actually the measure of central tendency and also the measure of variability. When we say central tendency, we are interested in getting the average of the random variable. And when we say variance po, we are interested to know on how spread the random variables are to each other. So para mas maintindihan natin yan, let us have this example. So actually, these examples are the previous examples that we've already calculated on my last video. So suppose we have the family with 3 children and we are interested in the random variable x, which represents the number of boys in the family. Let's assume that each child is equally likely to be a boy or a girl and their genders are independent of each other. For mean, we use the formula mu is equal to the summation of x times p of x, wherein po si x is the random variable and si p of x is the probability of getting that random variable. Now, ito pong formulang ito, intended lang po talaga siya for probability distribution of the random variables. Whenever random variables is concerned, lagi pong ito yung formula. However, kapag gumagamit po tayo ng mga data, either group or ungrouped data, iba din pong formula yung ginagamit natin doon. Opo, ito po kasi for the probability distribution of random variables. Opo. So we have x times p of x. So di ba po, di ba, doon sa previous nating video, we have the x and its p of x or the probability of getting that variable. So kung maalala nyo, di ba, pwedeng magkaroon tayo ng 3 boys, pwedeng magkaroon ng 2, pwedeng magkaroon ng 1, pwede din na wala. So yun po yung mga random variables natin. And the p of x po, kung maaalala nyo, or kung hindi nyo po maalala, you can view the video that we have in our playlist. So dito po sa 3, we only have 1/8 dyan. So for 2 naman po, we have 3/8. Ganon din po kay 1, kay 1, we have 3/8 also. At kay 0, we have 1/8. Ngayon po, in order for us to calculate the, the mean, we have the summation po of x times p of x. So, ang gagawin po natin, i-multiply lang po natin itong dalawang columns na ito. So, we have 3 times 1/8, we have 3/8. So, 2 times 3/8, that is 6/8. At 1 times 3/8, that is 3/8. 0 po times 1/8, that is 0. So yung mu natin, di ba, or the mean po natin is equal to the summation of x times p of x. Ito pong x times p of x, ito na po siya. Ngayon, isa-summation na lang po natin. 3 plus 6, that is 9. 9 plus 3, that is 12. Kaya ibig sabihin, ang mean po natin is 12/8, or simply, that is 12/8. In decimal, we have 1.5. So therefore, our mean po is 1.5. So for our variance naman po, which is denoted by this symbol, raised to 2, is equal to the summation of x, wherein x is the random variable, minus the mu po, squared times the p of x. So meron na po tayo ditong excess, meron na rin po tayo ditong mean, which is 1.5, at meron din po tayong p of x. Ibig sabihin po, kailangan lang natin na i-minus or i-get po si difference ni random variable minus the mean square, then afterwards multiply it by p of x. Then kunin po uli yung summation, that is already our variance. Okay, so first, yung pinaka nasa loob is x minus the mu, or that is the mean. So we have 3 minus 1.5, that is 1.5 also. So kapag in-square natin yan, that will give us 2.25. Okay. Ito naman po, 2 minus 1.5. 2 minus 1.5, that is 0.5. Squared, that is 0.25. Kaya 0.5 and 0.25. So we have here 0.5. Here naman 0.25. Dito po sa 1, 1 minus 1.5, that is negative 0.5. But pag in-square natin siya, that will give us 0.5 pa rin naman. So this is negative 0.5. Ito magiging 0.25. At ito po, 0 minus negative 1.5, or that is 0 minus 1.5, that is negative 1.5. And 1.5 squared, so we have 0 minus 1.5 squared of it, that will give us 2.25. Ngayon po, hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos because meron pa po tayong p of x. Kaya we have x minus the mu squared times the p of x So we have 2.25. Ilan po yung p of x niya? Dito po. So we have 1 over 8 times 1 over 8. That will give us 0. Or 9 over 32. Na lang pong gamitin natin yung 9 over 32 para mas buo po siyang isulat. So we have again 0.25 times ito pong p of x niya, that is 3 over 8. 3 over 8. That will give us 3 over 32. So again, 0.25 times 3 over 8, still 3 over 32 pa rin naman since same value lang naman sila. 3 over 32. So ano naman po, si 2.25 times the p of x, still parehas lang naman po nito. So we have 9 over 32. Now we get the summation of this one in order for us to get the variance. So yung the variance squared po natin, that will give us 9 over 32 plus 3 over 32 plus 3 over 32 plus 9 over 32. So that will give us 0.75. So the variance niya po is 0.75. Now, in order for us to get the standard deviation is only the square root of the variance. O pag tinanggal po natin itong square, that is the standard deviation na. However, we have 0.75 as the variance, we get the square root of it in order for us to get the standard deviation. So the square root of the answer is equal to 0.86, or approximately that is 0.87. So that is our standard deviation. Our standard deviation is approximately 0.87. So these are our answers. Okay, for our next example, you throw 4 coins. Compute the random variable representing the number of head values and display them in a probability distribution table. So yung goal naman natin is kapag nahanap na natin ito, hanapin din uli natin yung mean and variances of this problem. So we can still remember, the x po here is the random variable. So ano po yung mga random variables natin kanina? So di pa po, we have also 4, 3, 2, 1. So we have here 4, 3, 2, 1, and also 0. We have here P of X, or the probability of getting that random variable. So we have here 1 over 16, 4 over 16, 6 over 16, 4 over 16, 1 over 16. 4, 5, 11, 15, 16. Yan. So, yung goal po natin is to get the mean. The mean nga po, di ba, is equal to the summation of x times the p of x. So, ibig sabihin po, para ma-solve natin si mean, i-multiply lang po natin si x kay p of x. X is the random variable. So, we have x times p of x. So 4 times 16, or 4 times 1 over 16, that is 4 over 16. So ito naman po, 4 over 16, that is also equal to 1 over 4. So 3 times 4 over 16, we have 12 over 16. 2 times 6, that is again 12 over 16. 4 times 1, that is 4 over 16. And 0 times 1 over 16, that is 0. So, kapag kinuha po natin yung sum nila, yun po yung magiging, yun po yung magiging mean natin. So, we have 4 over 16 plus 12 over 16 plus 12 over 16 again plus 4 over 16 plus 0. So, that will give us 2. So, the mu po natin, or the average, is equal to 2. To get the variance, we use the formula, the summation of the random variable minus the mean squared times the probability of the random variable. So we have x minus mu squared, and yung last natin na column is x minus mu squared times the p of x. Our random variable is 4 times the mean. So 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, that is 2. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So 2 minus 2, that is 0. 1 minus 2, that is negative 1. And 0 minus 2, that is negative 2. Now, if we square it, we have 2 raised to 2, this is 4. 1 raised to 2, this is 1. 0 raised to 2, this is 0. Negative 1 raised to 2, this is 1. And negative 2 raised to 2, this is 4. Now, multiplying it to our p of x, ito po yung p of x natin. 4 times 1 over 16, that is 4 over 16, which is also equal to 1/4. And 1 times 4 over 16, that is also equal to 1/4. And 0 po times 6 over 16, this is 0. 1 times 4 over 16, this is also 1 over 4. And also 1 times 4 over 16, 4 over 16, this is 1/4. So our variance po is equal to 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4. This is also equal to 1. Now the square root of 1 is also equal to 1. So therefore, meaning to say in this problem, the mean is 2, the variance is 1, and the standard deviation is 1. So in this problem, we have x and p of x. So yung x natin, nagsimula sa 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So our p of x is 1/36, 2/36, 3/36, 4/36, 5/36, 6/36, 5/36, 4/36, 3/36, 2/36, and 1/36. So yung goal natin is to find the mean, and the mean is equal to the summation of x times the p of x. So here po, the x times the p of x, i-multiply lang po natin silang dalawa. So we have 2 times 1/36, we have 2/36. 3 times 2/36, we have 6/36. 4 times 3/36, we have 12/36. 5 times 4/36, we have 20/36. So 6 times 5, 30/36. 7 times 6, 42/36. 8 times 5, 40/36. 9 times 4, 36/36. 10 times 3, that is 30/36. Ito naman po, 22/36. 12/36. Ayan po, if we're going to add those, so kapag in-add po natin siya, the summation po of x times p of x is equal to, using our calculators, so you have 2/36 plus 6/36 plus 12/36 plus 20/36 plus 30/36 plus 42/36 plus 40/36 plus 36/36. So equal po muna natin pansamantala. Plus again 30/36 plus 22/36 plus 12/36 plus 12/36. That will give us 7. So the mean is 7. For our variance naman po, variance squared is equal to the summation of x minus the mean squared times the p of x. So the x po is this one, the random variables, times the, or minus the mean, which is 7. 2 minus mean, kaya we have x minus the mean. Then dito naman po, x minus the mean, and we need to square it. At yung final column natin, x minus the mean squared times the p of x. So 2 po minus 7, that is negative 5. 3 minus 7, that is negative 4. 4 minus 7, that is negative 3. 5 minus 7, that is negative 2. 6 minus 7, that is negative 1. 7 minus 7, that is 0. 8 minus 7, that is 1. 9 minus 7, that is 2. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 11 minus 7, that is 4. And 12 minus 7, that is 5. Then we need to square it, so we have 25. Here naman 16, 9, 4, 1, 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, and here naman 25. Ito po, itong column na ito, i-square lang po natin para makuha po itong nasa column na ito. Then since meron na tayong itong column, which is ito po, we need to multiply it by the probability of getting the random variable. So 25 times 1/36, 25 times 1 over 36. That is equal to 25 over 36. 25 over 36. So 16 times 2, that is 32 over 36. So 9 po times 3, that is 27 over 36. 4 times 4, that is 16 over 36. 1 times 5, that is 5 over 36. 0 times 6 over 36, that is 0. So 1 naman po times 5 over 36, that is 5 over 36. So 4 naman po times 4, that is 16 over 36. 9 times 3, that is 27 over 36. 16 times 2, that is 32 over 36. And C1 naman po, 25 over 36. Now we get the summation of this in order for us to get the variance. So the variance po squared is equal to the summation of x minus the mu squared times the p of x, which is equal to, using our calculators, we have 25 over 36 plus 32 over 36 plus 27 over 36 plus 16 over 36 plus 5 over 36 plus 0 plus 5 over 36 again plus 16 over 36 plus 27 over 36. So pansamantala, i-add po muna natin plus again. Plus 32 over 36 plus 25 over 36. So our variance po is 35 over 6, or in decimal, that is 5.53. Now to get the standard deviation, we just need to take the square root of it. So taking the square root of 35 over 6, that will give us 2.42 approximately. So the standard deviation is 2.42 approximately. These are our answers. That's it for today, my dear students. If you still have questions, please don't hesitate to comment down below. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye!